Did you know that aged leads can do more than just turn into sales? They're also a powerful tool for growing your database and expanding your referral network. While most people see aged leads as just another opportunity to close a deal, smart salespeople know they're the key to unlocking long-term growth. Let's look at how you can use aged leads to not only grow your business today, but set yourself up for even more success in the future. Step 1, build your database with aged leads. Your database is the backbone of your business. The more detailed and organized it is, the better equipped you are to connect with the right people at the right time. Here is how aged leads can help in that. They fill in the gaps. Aged leads come with valuable data, names, contact information, sometimes even notes about their past interest. By importing these leads into your CRM of choice, you're adding depth to your database, which means more opportunities to connect. You can segment your audience. Not all aged leads are the same, and that's a good thing. Use the data you have to segment your leads by demographics, past behaviors, or interests. For example, leads interested in home refinancing, leads exploring insurance options, leads curious about solar savings. This segmentation makes it easier to target your outreach with messages that resonate. Also, keep it clean. As you add aged leads to your database, take the time to update and verify their information. Double check email addresses, phone numbers, and mailing addresses. A clean, accurate database is more valuable than a large, messy one. Step 2, turn aged leads into referral partners. Little known secret, not every aged lead needs to become your customer to bring value to your business. Some can help you grow your network by referring others. Here's how to make it happen. Build relationships first. Start by re-engaging your aged leads with personalized outreach. Even if they're not ready to buy, a friendly call or email can open up the door for future opportunities. Ask about their current needs, find ways to offer value, whether it's advice, a resource, or just a thoughtful check-in. Then ask for the referrals. Once you've built trust, then it's time to ask in a direct and friendly way. Maybe even offer an incentive if it's legal in your industry. People are more likely to refer others if there's something in it for them, if possible. And if you get a referral, show some gratitude. Don't forget to thank your leads for their referrals, even if they don't convert right away. Something as little as a handwritten note, a quick call, or even a follow-up email can go a long way in maintaining that relationship. So how do these two overarching strategies work together? By using aged leads to grow your database and referral network, you're playing the long game. Not every lead will convert immediately, but every lead has the potential to add value to your business in some way. A larger, more organized database means more opportunities for targeted outreach, while a strong referral network brings in warm leads who are already primed to trust you. Be patient, stay consistent, leverage automation, and greater success is right around the corner. Want to start building a better database and stronger referral network? Head over to agedleadstore.com and start adding leads for about $1 a piece.